Join me as I dive into the world of stock trading and challenge myself to uncover the best insights and strategies for investing in this crazy market. WCT's recent performance has been a hot topic, especially given the current market conditions, with many investors trying to make sense of the fluctuations in their stock prices. Market volatility is a significant challenge investors face when analyzing WCT stocks, as it can be difficult to predict how their stock prices will react to changes in the market. External economic factors, such as inflation or interest rates, can also have a significant impact on WCT stock performance. Investors need to consider these factors when making decisions about buying or selling WCT stocks. The complexity of the market can be overwhelming, with many investors struggling to stay up to date with the latest news and trends. In addition to market volatility, investors also need to consider the impact of global events on WCT stock prices, such as trade wars or natural disasters. These events can have a significant impact on the stock market, and investors need to be aware of them when making decisions about their investments. The lack of transparency in the market can also make it difficult for investors to make informed decisions, as they may not have access to all the information they need. WCT's business model is based on a diverse range of assets, which can help to mitigate the risks associated with market volatility. Recent news about WCT's expansion into new markets has been positive, with many experts predicting that this will lead to significant growth in their stock prices. Expert opinions on WCT stock performance are varied, with some predicting a significant increase in their stock prices, while others are more cautious. WCT's recent financial reports have shown a significant increase in revenue, which has led to an increase in their stock prices. The company's management team has also been praised for their strategic decisions, which have helped to drive growth and expansion. The potential for long-term growth is significant, with many investors predicting that WCT stock prices will continue to rise in the coming years. A critical insight into WCT stocks is that they have the potential to be a high-growth investment, but also come with a higher level of risk. Investors need to be aware of this risk and make informed decisions about their investments. The potential for significant returns is significant, but investors need to be willing to take on the associated risk. The key to successful investment in WCT stocks is to have a long-term perspective and to be willing to ride out any fluctuations in the market. Investors who are looking for short-term gains may be disappointed, as the stock market can be unpredictable. The importance of diversification cannot be overstated, as it can help to mitigate the risks associated with investing in the stock market. Investors who are considering investing in WCT stocks need to be aware of the potential risks and rewards, and make informed decisions about their investments. The current market conditions are uncertain, and investors need to be cautious when making decisions about their investments. The most critical insight or prediction regarding WCT stocks is that they have the potential to be a high-growth investment, but also come with a higher level of risk. Investors need to be aware of this risk and make informed decisions about their investments. The potential for significant returns is significant, but investors need to be willing to take on the associated risk. In the current market, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the factors that can impact WCT stock performance. By considering these factors and making informed decisions, investors can minimize their risks and maximize their returns. The potential for growth is significant, and investors who are willing to take on the associated risk may be rewarded with significant returns. In conclusion, WCT stock performance is closely tied to current market conditions, and investors need to be aware of the potential risks and rewards. The company's diverse assets and recent expansion into new markets are positive signs, but investors need to be cautious and make informed decisions about their investments. Join the conversation and share your thoughts on WCT stocks in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights and analysis on the stock market.